Now in this problem we have a typical case of hollow cylinder. Till now we have done the cases of shell and spheres only. So in this one we are going to take a question with hollow cylinder. So the question as given in the description is to find the electrostatic energy stored in a cylindrical shell of length L. It has the inner radius A and outer radius B, and it is coaxial with a charged wire with linear density. So if we write the diagram, if we draw the diagram of the situation, then we have an infinitely long wire which is uniformly charged, and the density of this is lambda coulomb per meter. This is the linear density of the wire. Now with this wire, coaxial is the hollow cylinder. So you can draw the hollow cylinder. This will be the inner surface of the cylinder, and the outer surface can be drawn like this. And as given in the question, the radius of the inner surface is A and radius of the outer surface is B. Now we know that if due to this charge we have to find electric field at this point, then due to this positive charge the electric field will be in these directions, and at any distance x to this point the electric field can be given as E equals to 2k lambda upon x. This we have done in the previous sections. So using this concept we can take an elemental cylindrical shell, just like we used to take elemental spherical shell in earlier example. So we have this elemental cylinder of thickness dx and radius x at a distance x. So volume of this elemental shell. So first we have to find the volume of this elemental shell. We will denote it with dV, and this volume will be equal to the surface area of the shell multiplied by the thickness of the shell. Now we know that the surface area of the cylinder is of radius x is 2 pi xl, L being the length of the cylinder, multiplied by the thickness of cylinder dx. So this will be our volume of the elemental cylinder, and the energy stored in this elemental cylinder will be given by du, which will be equal to half epsilon naught E square into dV. Now if we integrate this expression from A to B, then we can find out the total energy in the shell. So total energy U can be written as integration of du from the limit A to B. So if we apply this limit and substitute the value of E, which is 2k lambda upon x whole square multiplied by 2 pi x L dx. So this is the expression that we have to solve. So if we take the constants out, we will have these are the constants, and inside the integral sign we will have 1 upon x dx. Now the 2 gets, we can cancel the 2, and 1 of the k will get cancelled with 4 pi epsilon naught, because k is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So we can cancel 1 of the k with 4 pi epsilon naught. So what we are left with is k lambda square L an integral of 1 upon x dx. Now we know the integral of 1 upon x is natural log, and by applying the limit we can find out the expression, which will be k lambda square L ln B by A. So this will be our answer to this question.